This is the Tovala Smart Oven. As you can see, we liked them enough that we actually bought 2 of them. Very simple to use. You just open it, put your food in. It does have a very nice drip tray here that you can take out and wash if you'd like. It comes with a tray, sort of like a cookie sheet, and a air fry basket. So you put your food in. If you're using the meal kits that come with this system, you'll want to connect the oven to your Wi-Fi using the app. And then when it's time to cook, once connected to Wi-Fi, you simply hit this button that says scan. Your scanner turns on, you scan the barcode on the recipe, and then down here on this bottom dial, it will light up with a number, which is the number of minutes it's going to take to cook. You press start, and that is all you have to do. I do think in the app there are some foods that are preset, so like maybe chicken breast or corn on the cob. You can use the app to set the oven to the appropriate cook setting. But if you also just want to do something like toast, there's a bunch of different settings here. You can air fry, toast, bake, broil, or reheat. You can adjust the temperature. You can adjust the amount of time it's in for. I mean, you can definitely just use this as a toaster oven as well, or a mini oven. The one thing that is challenging, which is why we bought 2 of them, is if you're using the meal kit and you happen to either both want a meal at the same time, or maybe you each have a different meal that cooks differently, it only normally fits a portion for 1. So it can be helpful if you like to eat together to have 2 of these. Otherwise, you have to cook 1 and then wait for the other. But overall, we really enjoy it, and the food that comes with the meal plan is excellent.